Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a dead LED bulb in just 5 minutes. The method works on most LED bulbs and uses only common household items, with no special tools required. Follow along step by step, and you'll be able to try it safely at home. Once the bulb is confirmed to be faulty, the first step is to inspect the internal components. Apply gentle pressure around the edges to loosen the casing so it can be removed without damage. With the casing removed, the LED circuit board is exposed. The yellow parts are the LED chips. Most LED bulb failures come from one or more of these chips, making this the first place to inspect. Let me know your location in the comments. What state are you in, and what projects are you working on at home? Grab a stiff piece of electrical wire from your toolbox. Strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from both ends. Bend the wire into a simple U shape so it works like a small pair of tweezers. This will be your homemade testing tool. It does not need to look perfect. It just needs solid metal contact on both tips. Set it aside and keep your hands away from the board when the power is on. Now place the LED board into a lamp socket and turn the power on. Hold the homemade tweezers and carefully touch one chip at a time. Do not touch the board with your fingers. When you reach the bad chip, the light will suddenly turn on. That tells you where the problem is. Turn the power off right away and unplug the bulb. Take a utility knife and gently scrape the bad chip off the board. After that, grab a regular pencil and rub it over the scraped spot so graphite dust fills the gap. Now take a small piece of tape and place it over the graphite you just applied. Press it down gently so the graphite stays in place and does not move. This helps keep the connection stable. Put the bulb back together and screw it into the socket. Flip the switch and check the light. If everything is done right, the bulb should turn on again and work like normal. Now let's try a second method. Take another bulb that does not work and screw it into the socket to confirm it stays dark. Remove it and grab a small coin cell battery. This method uses low voltage, so it is safer for testing. It helps you find the bad chip without plugging the bulb into the wall. Take 2 short pieces of electrical wire from your toolbox. Strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from both ends of each wire. Place one bare end on the positive side of the coin cell battery and the other wire on the negative side. Hold them steady and secure both wires in place with tape. Make sure the wires do not touch each other so the battery stays safe and ready for testing. Now remove the bulb cover so you can see the LED chips clearly. Take the two wires connected to the coin cell battery and touch them to one chip at a time. A good chip will light up right away. When you touch the bad chip, nothing happens. That is the one causing the problem. Set the battery aside and use a utility knife to carefully scrape the bad chip off the board. Take your time and keep the area clean so the next step works properly. Now heat up your soldering iron and let it reach working temperature. Touch a small amount of solder to the spot where you removed the bad chip. You only need enough to bridge the connection. Let it cool for a few seconds, then check that the path looks clean and solid before putting the bulb back together. Now you have two simple ways to fix a dead light bulb at home. This kind of repair saves money and keeps useful things out of the trash. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical DIY ideas you can use around the house. Tell me in the comments what you want to fix next.